Hi guys, it's Anne. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a ride or die. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this hairstyle right here. These are crochet passion twist hair or water wave hair that was sent to me by Julia's Hair. So thanks so much, Julia's Hair, for sponsoring your girl and sending her these new do to check out. This hair is actually from Amazon. So Julia's Hair, I know some persons may know them from AliExpress. They're actually on Amazon now, girl. So they sent me 6 packs of braiding hair. So I'm going to be putting the listing over here from the Amazon store. So basically this is considered to be 18-inch water wave 6-pack synthetic braid for Kanekalon passion twist crochet braiding hair, goddess locks, long bohemian locks hair extensions. Okay, so this is what the listing is looking like on Amazon. This particular shade of hair, for me, I didn't take the 1B, I took the 1B30. So it is black at the top and it transitions into a nice honey brown. I've always wanted to try this color out, and again it's 18 inches for each. I'm gonna go ahead now and insert a clip of the packaging, because y'all already know your girl's a sucker for that for some reason, and I can tell you straight up that Julia's Hair gets 5 stars for packaging. Not only because it's pink, but it's a reusable bag. It's not just a clear plastic bag that you're gonna throw in the garbage. So this is the clip now showing what the hair looks like. In the pack, you get, as I said, 6 individual packs of hair, and each pack contains around 16 individual twists, right? Now, if you want to achieve a fluffier look like what I have here with larger parts, you are going to need to use 2 strands per twist. So you're literally, for installation purposes, what I did, I went ahead and I did the elastic band method. Shout out to all the girls here on YouTube that did tutorials on that. You really hooked your girl up, because I had no idea what I was doing. This is my first time. So I had to go through and I parted my hair individually, which was rough. The struggle was real, trying to like hold the mirror at the back of my head to line up the parts, but I managed. I went ahead, parted individually, elastic band all of my head. And then what you will do is join 2 strands of the crochet twist that's in the pack, and you kind of have to space it out a bit so that the 2 ends aren't like equal, right? Because you want it to kind of move from fluffy to a thinner effect at the ends. So I'll show you in the video that you'll be watching now of me kind of spacing out the hair, after which you run it through the crochet needle and then you go underneath your twist, pull the hair through, and then I kind of twist and I make a loop. It's so hard to explain, but I make a loop with my hands to pull the other end of the strand through the loop, and then I kind of make my knot. When I make my knot, then I separate my real hair. So I put one piece of my real hair on one side and the other piece on the other side, and that's how I merge together and do my twists. Now, it was a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely it's the hardest style I've ever had to do on myself. I would never ever attempt to do this again by myself. It took me almost 12 hours of just standing up, being stressed out, like cursing, and I was so like upset about why I got myself into this, because I'm a wig girl, or like wear your natural hair type of girl. Braids are not my jam, so, or twists for that matter. So I was a little bit, irate, but all in all, I really liked the style. I think it came out good. What you guys think? What do you think though? I think it's a cute little look, and I can have it in for another couple of weeks instead of having to worry about combing my hair or fixing up a wig. The only downside that I can say for this hair for me is that because my hair is relaxed and it's somewhat transitioning, because it's been 4 months since I got a relaxer, so this section, it was okay to braid and get the twist to hold, but the rest of my hair is straight. So You can see, let me see if I can find a strand. This one. You can see right here, my relaxed hair ends are sticking out in a lot of them, and then there are also a few of them that are being unruly that keeps on twisting even though I dipped them in hot water, so that's a little annoying. But overall, for $34, and I think there's even probably a coupon that you can get on Amazon right now to get it even cheaper, I think it's a really quick DIY hairstyle. If you are a pro at twisting and you know, if you have help, it's a really let me tell you, it's not quick. There's no, even if you have help, this is not a quick hairstyle, but at least it's a protective style that you can have to wear for at least probably a couple of weeks or so, depending on how long you want to keep it in or how small of parts you do, because girl, this isn't gonna last me no months, probably like 2 weeks max, because my parts are quite big and I intentionally did that, but looking back at it, maybe I could have done it a little bit smaller. I don't know, like, tell me what you guys think. Do you think it's cute on me? It's really different. I've never had this before. This is where it catches me, so like my boobie, but it stretches out really far. Like, listen, these are some long babies, but they curl right up. But let me know in the description bar and by clicking the like button if you think that this is a cute do, and if you want to go ahead and get passion twist or water wave twist to do whatever style you may want, you can find the link to this here in the description bar, and you can go right on ahead and get you a pack of 6 of these to play around with. If you have any other questions or anything that you guys want to ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button, please and thanks. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well. Until next time, it's your girl Anne. Bye.